Welcome guys in the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to search your name on Instagram Music and put the first song with your picture and Instagram story. Open your Instagram and then uh, hit the search button and then search in here tick master. Okay, this one open and then click to add yours and now click to add yours. Okay, so go to your gallery and choose your picture from here. I'm going to choose this picture and you can adjust the size of this and where you want to put. So let's make it small and put in here. And now let's search the music. Go to the sticker and from here hit the music button and now search your first name and now type your name in here and choose the first song that you find. Okay, now click to done and put the music icon where you want to. Let's put in here and then click to the next and then share to your story. Okay, and then done. This is how to search your name on Instagram Music and add in your picture and Instagram story. Thanks for watching. See you the next tutorial.